Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a slick back ponytail look for the summer slash spring. I got y'all sitting up kind of high, look kind of low. Sorry about the angle, but this is what I'm using to achieve this look. This is by Zury. It is called the Easy Wrap Ponytail. And this, it comes in 3 different styles. It comes in the crimp kind, the straight, and then the body wave. I have the soft crimp. And this is just for, you know, the summertime. When you want to, so hard to part. So yeah. I want to put got to be glue in my hair, but then again, I don't. Because I don't got time for it. Being stuck on my head. I'm going to use the Eco Styler gel to slick this baby down. I'm not going to put the gel on my my edges because I want to use this organic coil care, whatever it's called. I want to use that, but I may just slick it down with the gel. So yes, I'm giving y'all 2 videos. I'm gonna do this one, and then I'm gonna do a little light makeup tutorial as well, because I haven't done makeup in a minute. To be honest guys, I haven't been feeling inspired. I've been feeling lazy. But of course I follow a lot of plus size influencers on IG, and they've been really inspiring me to start back doing what I love, because sometimes we have to remind ourselves why we started. And it's been one of those things for me, because it's so easy to get burnt out. You know, we all can identify with coming out the park swinging, you know. Coming out the park swinging and, you know, you doing your thing, posting your content, like it's just lit. And then you just hit a bump where you just feel like you stuck creative-wise. Almost like writer's block. I would say it was creative block. Because like you want to start doing something different. You know, you want to start doing something, but you don't know what. You know, just really trying to find a way when I'm recording. Use got to be cool. Like my hair is so freaking soft, so I will really have to OD with this in order to get it hard, in order for it to stay. But I don't want to OD with this, so we're just gonna make it work. It's just a summer friendly style, ladies, where we can quick and easy go to your local beauty supply store and grab you one of those ponies. And yeah, I got this. I see it. There we go. I got this. I don't want to use my edges. To the back. How we looking? Go ahead and take this baby out the pack. I'm just trying something else, because I really don't want to walk around here looking crazy for Mother's Day, and I really don't feel like braiding my hair. So yeah, this is what it looks like out the pack. And I got it in the color, it says natural. So So it's basically like you wrap it around. Hence the name, wrap. Wrap ponytail. I really want my hair to be more hotter. Put this right here. And then they got a piece that you leave out right here that you basically just take and you wrap around your ponytail to cover up your base. And I'm gonna put a bobby pin in it to secure it because I like added security when it comes to my hair. I don't want nothing that's gonna possibly leave before it's supposed to leave, okay? Let me take this little bobby pin here. I'm gonna just stick it in there like that. Like my girl say, tab, like so, like that. Like so, like that. Baby, this ponytail skimpy. Baby, I need 2 ponytails. Cause where we going at with this skimp ponytail? Knowing me, I will finesse it and put on like a hat or something. Baby, cause where you going? It's lightweight, real lightweight, cause you got a lot of hair. Ooh, it is very lightweight, honey. With this skimpy behind ponytail. Zury. Zury played in my face. Zury really played in my face. I know you fucking lying. You got to take that thing and wrap it. Just to make it look like a decent ball. Can make it look like it's your hair. Baby, this might be the move for us. Wrap it into a ball. It still ain't giving much. It's giving something, but it ain't giving much. Take a little edges, put the little edges down. Hold up. Hold up. Let me get y'all together. Oh, that ain't unraveling back there. This is something that I would like to wear to work.